Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another story time with me. And today, I'm going to read to you a story that you probably might have heard from the episode Blues with Pajama Party and the Blues Goes a New episode Pajama Party with Blue, which is this Good Night Bird. Yep, that's a story that Steve Burns and Josh Santa Cruz read during the Pajama Party. So, here we go. Good Night Bird. Look, there's the moon and the bird sleeping. On a tree, on a hill, lived a bird that would not sleep. I'm not tired, Bird said, as the sun turned pink and the sky turned dark. Sleep, said the sun. You need your rest. Now close your eyes and get in your nest. But I'm not tired. It looks like the bird's not tired. Sleep, said the moon. Now, I mean that. You're a little bird. You're not a bat. I'm not tired, Bird said with a yawn, and the owl woke up, and the stars came out. There's the moon. Look, there's the owl and the stars. Sleep, said the stars. We saw you yawn. Now lay your beak down and don't wait till dawn. I'm not tired, Bird said one time more, and he closed his eyes and began to snore. And he snored, and he snored, and he snored. Look, the bird is sleeping now. The end. That was a little bit of a short story, but it was such a great story though. Thanks so much for having a story time with me. Be on the lookout for more story time videos with me very, very soon.